Welcome back to the broadcast. This is KTN Prime. Is the country staring at yet another total lockdown? All indications show that all is not well in the fight against COVID-19. And now President Uhuru Kenyatta has convened an extraordinary session of the National and County Governments Coordinating Summit for Wednesday next week. The conference will discuss the resurgence of COVID-19 infections in the country and possible review of containment measures. As Kenya recorded 1,018 positive cases of the virus in the last 24 hours. As KTN's Beldin Waliaula now reports.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has convened an extraordinary meeting to be held next week. The summit will discuss the high numbers of COVID-19 cases amid swelling hospital admissions that are exerting pressure on the country's healthcare system. The conference, which will bring together the national and county governments, will also consider the evolution of the disease and models on how the virus may propagate in the country in the next month of November and December. Currently, data from the Ministry of Health shows a sharp spike in infections in the month of October. A week ago, Kenya recorded its highest ever single-day tally, where 1,068 people tested positive for COVID-19, with a positivity rate of 14.1%. On Tuesday this week, test positivity rate jumped to 20.5% after 836 people tested positive. The high numbers likely to have rattled State House. From a statement sent to newsrooms by State House spokesperson Kanzadena, the president is set to review the containment measures put in place. Movement of people is likely to be restricted, with a possible review of curfew hours. With a carefree attitude among most Kenyans, the president has limited options between saving lives and saving livelihoods. In the last 24 hours, Kenya again hit a grim milestone, registering 1,018 new COVID-19 infections with a positivity rate of 15.3%. The country caseload has now jumped to 51,851. 426 patients have since recovered from the disease. But another trend worrying experts is the rise in the number of deaths. The death toll has risen to 950 after 16 more patients succumbed to the virus in the last 24 hours. Currently, 1,060 COVID-19 patients are still admitted to various health facilities, 36 of whom are in intensive care unit, while 18 are using ventilatory support. Focus now shifts to the head of state and county governments, even as the virus sweeps across the 47 counties. Beldin Waliaula, KTN News.
Meanwhile, hopes of